Guys, today we'll be covering Practice It, exercise 8.4, is vertical point. The problem reads, add the following method to your point class. Public boolean is vertical, point other. This class is supposed to return true if the given point lines up vertically with this point, that is, if the x-coordinates are the same. So first, we'll just start by writing the class. So public boolean is vertical, point other. And then we'll add the curly braces. And like the problem says, we really just need one return statement for this. So we're just gonna write return, and the problem says the point has to line up vertically with a point, so that basically means the x-coordinates are the same. So the other here is representing the second point, and just the regular x that I'm gonna put is representing just the first point. So I'm just gonna write x, so that's the first point, and it has to be same. So remember, two equal signs mean same. One is when you're assigning a variable, so just remember that. And we're gonna write other dot x. So x, just regular, is x1, and then this is x2, and this return statement basically says those two has to be equal in order for this to be true. So if we submit that, then yes, so all the test cases are the same, so all the x-coordinates are basically the same, and that if it's the same, it returns true, and if it's not the same, it returns false. So yeah, so that's all for Practice It. Exercise 8.4 is vertical point, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.